Okay, now our next verb is to stray, which is a intermediate level word again, and this is from chapter 1 of David Copperfield by Charles Dickens. And to stray means to be in the wrong place, to not be in the correct place, to leave the correct place and be in the wrong place. So, a lot of times, if you see a cat or a dog in the street, we call that a stray dog or a stray cat because cats or dogs normally live, especially in cities, normally live with humans. And so, if they're living in the street, they're in the wrong place. They're not supposed to be in the street, they're supposed to be in a house or something like that. So being stray means not being in the correct place, being in the wrong place, going in the wrong direction. All right, let's try an example here. Where is it? Okay. Here's a situation. During a group tour of a museum, Mike left the group. So they're traveling together, going from place to place, looking at the pictures, but Mike left the group. He's supposed to be with the group, but he goes to a different place. So now he's in the wrong place because he's supposed to be with the group. We can say that he's strayed from the tour group. He strayed from the tour group. He's supposed to be with the tour group, but he left and he went in a different direction. Now the tour group is going somewhere else and he's going somewhere else. Let's make a when question with this sentence. He strayed from the tour group. When did he? When did he? When did he? When did he? When did he stray? When did he stray from the tour group? When did he stray from the tour group? Here's the answer. When he noticed an interesting collection. So he's going with the tour group and he says, oh, that looks interesting, and he walks over there. So when he noticed an interesting collection, he strayed from the tour group. He strayed from the tour group when he noticed an interesting collection. Okay, let's try another example. Lucy began to talk about her new job, but then she suddenly changed subjects and started talking about her cat. She wasn't finished talking about her new job, but she got distracted and she went in a different direction. We can say that she strayed from the topic. She was talking about her new job, but she went into a different direction, in the wrong direction. She strayed from the topic. Let's make a why question. Why? Why did she? Why did she stray? Why did she stray from the topic? Why did she go into a different direction? Why is she talking about her cat? The conversation was about her job. Why did she stray from the topic? Here's the answer. Because someone asked her a question about her cat. So suddenly the subject changed. She strayed from the topic because someone asked her about her cat. All right. Let us move on to